All right, so today we're going to give Blankos Block Party a try. We're going to see what this game is all about. Tell you if it's worth your time looking at playing this game. So they've been advertising a lot with YouTube ads in front of a lot of Axie Infinity videos. So looking to kind of take over that market. Obviously, there's a lot of NFTs in the game and a lot of room to create new ones, as you can see just from the screen here. So I have not played this game. This is going to be my first look at playing this game, and let's see how it looks. So basically, this looks like those things that you see in the card shops. And let's unbox this guy. Let's see what we get. Okay, I thought it was actually going to turn into something. It is just a blank guy. So let's see. Show you a few moves. Okay. WASD, space is double jump, sprint is shift, and P is fly. Okay, so let's give it a try. These basic moves, okay, let's play. All right, so click and play, and now I'm in queue. So, all right, I guess we're still waiting. That part was a little bit unclear to me. That's a pretty scary Blankos. Okay, so ready to race. So shift and space. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Dude, I'm not gonna win this game. Am I supposed to? All right. So I'm just kind of moving the trackpad around. Tab, show party info. So there's 3 players. I don't know how many have to be in here for it to work. So I'll just close the menu. I gotta press escape. Okay, I gotta press tab. What is going on? Alright, at this point I'm starting to think, okay, what's going on with this game? This looks like it's all messed up. Players loading. This looks super buggy. I mean, I'm jumping, but look at what happened to the screen there. Now there are players in here? How can I complete this race when I can't even see what's going on? This is terrible. I'm going to press Control N. I mean, this game might be fun. I can't even tell what's going on here. So I'm going to exit the party and return to the desk. I don't know what that's going to do, but that was just like so awful. Obviously, Blankos wasn't a hit. I'm sure it was a glitch, but it was still disappointing to try to play an NFT game like this and just have such an awful experience. So I'll probably give Blankos another try, to be honest, because I feel like it didn't really go off and I didn't really get to see what was going on. But if you played Blankos, let me know in the comments if you've had a similar experience and or what your favorite NFT game is right now, because I'm happy to jump in there and do a review of it and see what's going on. All right, well, that's what we got for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, share. It does really do a lot to help me grow this channel. And there'll be a couple of videos on the screen right here that you can check out. Highly recommended that you do. And thanks for watching.